Hey, fellow preppers and inventors and all that jazz. I've been working on this thing again here. I've got my air intakes, 4 of them, going in here. See down there. Weld it to this inside collar. They're just going through the side there right now. It's not, you wouldn't call it per se sealed. That's okay. Not really worried too much right at this point about air leaks yet. I'm still in the construction phase. Anyways, so yeah, the center section here, I got the 2 sealing rings on here now. And there's going to be some, I'll lay some wire, fire rope in here on both sides. That'll seal up against this edge there, and on that bottom edge over there, down there on that tank. And then I got one more. I got to build another one for down here as well. But I got that center section done. I did play around with a. This is just temporary for my screen. I got that like that. Spring goes onto there. Spring goes onto there and onto there. This is just, like I said, temporary, just to hold that in place while I do a test fire on this thing, because now, like I said, I've got this thing here that goes inside of this thing here, and this will be the hearth right there. And I'm gonna, I still got some other plans for this. And then this activator, I'm hoping I can bring it right through the top of that thing to activate this. I'm still working on that. Sorry for the shitty video stuff. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm slowly getting it here. It's taking a little bit of time and thinking and figuring. And you know, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a lot of blue tools around here. Okay? You noticed, yeah? Mastercraft. 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 Oh, Mastercraft. Okay? There we go. Mastercraft. Oh, another one down below there. Mastercraft. Hi, I guess you could say I shop at Canadian Tire, eh? Look at this self even. Mastercraft. Mastercraft. Welding tip and nozzle gel. Seems to work pretty good. I've used other kinds before, but I mean, I guess they're pretty much all the same. That works alright. This Mastercraft welder here, this has got either you can run it on 110 or you can run it on 230, and that's the reason why I bought that, right? See there, there's a switch right there, 120 or 230, and I'm running it off of a 15 amp breaker in the house, and it's doing all right for, you know, I got the amperage down, wire feeds down. It's windy here, so I've been having a tough time welding with gas going away. But when it stays, when the gas doesn't seem to be a problem, like the wind stops, then it's all right. That bottom unit down there, that's that Mastercraft plasma cutter. Now that thing will also work off 15 amps, but I got to make such a short little cut, and then it blows the breaker out right away. And even with this welding on this thing, it'll work on a 15 amp breaker, but I have to stop every once in a while, let that breaker in the house cool down. But like, this ain't no paid advertisement for Mastercraft, you know. I'm just doing a little review here of the tools that I bought. You know, my plasma cutter down there. I bought this welder here. I bought that Lincoln Electric, that's a solar panel self-darkening welding helmet, and that one I bought it from Canadian Tire. Of course, the hole saw, my mini grinder, that grinder, my drill. I got a whole pile of tools that I bought from Mastercraft. So, you know, Mastercraft, if you're listening, you know, here's a guy that's Canadian tested. Anyways, I'll get back to you when I get this thing kind of assembled, and we're going to take a little test drive in it. Okay, we'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.